Alright, today we're going to be making buffalo cauliflower. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are 1 head of cauliflower, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ground paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of melted plant-based butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 1/3 cup of hot sauce.
Do we have any of that?
I have not gone to the store today, but... we have this.
So I mixed the flour, the paprika, the onion powder, the salt, the garlic powder all together for our flour mix. Next I'm going to be doing is adding the apple cider vinegar to our plant-based milk to make a vegan buttermilk. We're going to let that rest for about 5 minutes while the vinegar does its thing. I'm going to give that a little stir. Pardon me, I see you're making some coffee. Let me stir that apple cider vinegar in. And we'll let that sit for 5 minutes.
Buffalo cauliflower?
You know it. So we let the buttermilk mixture sit for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add that to the flour mixture. We're going to combine that together and then get ready to add the cauliflower to coat. So I let the oven preheat to 375 degrees, and now I'm going to add our cauliflower. We're going to cook it 20 minutes, and then we're going to flip it to the other side and we'll cook the remainder 20 minutes. While the cauliflower is cooking, I'm going to make the buffalo sauce using our hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, add the sugar in. So our cauliflower has been cooking 40 minutes total now. We did 20, flipped it, another 20. And now I'm going to take this out and we're going to brush on the buffalo cauliflower sauce. Then I'm going to put it back in the broiler for about 5 or so minutes.
Did you say the broiler?
Yeah.
You're not putting it in a broiler.
No.
Why are you?
But if they were to do it at home, you'd want to. No, this is a broiler.
No, it's not.
Broil, top broiler.
No.
What do you mean? So as your cauliflower is cooking on the high broiler, you just want to keep an eye on it so it doesn't start burning. You're going to start seeing the perfect time to pull it out. You can see some good color on there. All right, see you in the eating.
Thank you for watching One Cancer Patient YouTube channel. Please let us know if you liked the video by hitting that thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button to see when our latest videos are posted. Have a great day, and goodbye!